Hey, this is Drew Bennett from BenSpark.com, and I have another Bloks Skylanders Giants toy to show you. This time it is a Target exclusive. It is the Turret Air Raid with Terrafin wearing the pirate do-rag. So it is sort of like the air turret defense with chill, except it's a red color. It's got Terrafin with a special hat and more. So we'll show you what this is all about. It's time to unbox the Turret Air Raid. This is that Target exclusive with Terrafin and the pirate do-rag. So let's open that up. So we got a bag of pieces here, treasure chest and some treasure. We got the turret and the launcher. And we've got the Terrafin figure, a couple other pieces, additional pieces to build the turret, and the instruction book, which also has a code so that you can go to Bloks Online and enter in the code to unlock your figure on Bloks Skylanders Giants. I don't know if I've mentioned before, but I like that Bloks has this on some of their bags, a nice easy tear perforation, so that you can take the pieces out quickly and easily. I find that very useful. So here's Terrafin with the pirate do-rag, and here is Terrafin from the battle portal. You can see they're the same, except that he's got the do-rag, so good coloring. It's a little more yellow here, but essentially same figure, but looks pretty cool with his pirate do-rag on. So here's the completed Turret Air Raid, which is the Target exclusive. Comes with the Terrafin figure with the pirate do-rag, and it's very similar to the Sky Turret Defense that comes with Chill. The build is basically the same. It is just some variation on the color. Here we've got the hatch that opens up. You can pop the figure right in there on that block. So right down in there. Fires the missile. So it's pretty strong firing. It's a nice soft tip there on the missile for the air turret. Okay. I'm catching it with my hand. Good details on it. Also comes with the treasure chest with a bunch of treasure inside. And the figure looks good. Another nice piece if you're going to, have some active play with the figures. If you're, they're battling against each other and you're trying to say knock off, the bad guys. This is good for that. Because that missile fires pretty well. So nice figure, nice piece, and a great addition to your Bloks Skylanders Giants set. Just want to do a quick side-by-side comparison of the Sky Turret Defense and the Turret Air Raid sets. Excluding the figures, of course. The sets are, they're essentially the same, just different colors. But it's nice to have the two different variations. So, if you were to say battle, you've got two of these turrets. They both have the opening hatch, significant space inside to put figure. The launcher up and down, so you can chart a good trajectory for your missile. like the colors. I like the colors on this more, although I would maybe like this on the gold on top of that one. I do like the blue for the missile, and I do like the blue for the piping here. And I don't know, maybe I do like the colors on this one better. I do like the blue inside the tank, although the blue here is nice. You know, it's hard for me to decide. They both look good. They're both good additions, and you know, they're nice. The nice sets. So if you can't find the exclusive here at Target, the Sky Turret Defense is found everywhere. And that comes with Chill. This one comes with the special Terrafin figure. So we got the Terrafin figure and the Chill figure.